Alright, so now we're going to do another curve sketching question, but now it's a quadratic expression in the form that it's a factorized form. Clearly we have two brackets here multiplied to each other. This is the factorized form. Okay, so very similar to the other type of sketching of a quadratic equation question, we got to know the shape first and foremost. So since it's a positive x square coefficient, if I were to really do the expansion, I know it's going to be a U shape. Okay, second thing, or other things I need to find are the X intercepts, Y intercepts, and once again, turning point. Okay, but always bear in mind that the turning point is a coordinate of X and Y. So, in this case, actually, I'm going to find, first of all, the X intercept. So very similar to finding a X intercept in all the other kinds of equations. If it passes through the x-axis, I know that y has to be 0. And when I do that, actually, what happens is actually I have a expression with, or rather an equation where I have to solve this. And recall, in solving equation methods, one of the methods is actually the zero product principle. We have two things, two expressions multiplied by 0. Multiplied to give me 0, it must be that either one is 0. So long story short, I know I'll get x is minus 1 or x is positive 5. So I know my x-intercepts are minus 1 or 5. Okay. Revise your solving of equations and you can actually get this answer by the zero product principle. So next, this one over here. Conversely, if I let y be 0 be here, I'm going to let x be 0 here. Okay, and when that happens, I'll just get 0 plus 1, 0 minus 5, multiply these two, and I'll get plus 1 times minus 5, I get minus 5. So I have a single value of negative 5. So x-intercept done, y-intercept, now turning point. Recall that actually, if I had a x-intercepts of minus 1 and 5, the turning point will be exactly in between the two of them. Two values of minus 1 and 5. So what's exactly in between? This x value will just be 5 or plus minus 1 or minus 1 plus 5, doesn't matter, and I divide by 2. This actually gives me a value of 2. So I know the x value is 2. So if I know the x value, how do I get the y value? Yes, put the x2 inside here. So when I let x be 2, okay, let's not confuse the two, all these belong to this one here. And x is 2, y is just 2 plus 1, 2 minus 5, and I get 3 times minus 3, I get negative 9. So turning point, 2 comma negative 9. Alright, so shift this a bit. So let's actually do our sketch now, finally. Oops, you can't really see that. Okay, so minus 1, maybe minus 1 is here, maybe 5 is here. Okay, y-intercept minus 5. So since 0 go down here, maybe this is minus 5. Just an estimate, a sketch. Okay, so by now I hope you can see that actually it's a U shape. So it's going to come down here, pass through minus 5 and go down even further before turning around. So what exactly is this y and x value? Well, the x value has turned out to be 2. We know it's around here. And the y value is negative 9. Let's draw this a bit more. So maybe it's here. Not here, but 2 comma negative 9, turning point. Okay, so over here, 2, negative 9. So let's draw through all the points and let's see what we get. Okay, draw it through best as I can. Oops. Draw. Aha. Not so nice again. But you get the idea. Passes through here, turns at this point. So this is 2 comma negative 9. Now don't forget to label this graph, x plus 1, x minus 5. There you have it, the sketch of y equals x plus 1 times x minus 5.